Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're dealing with that frustrating blinking red light on your Alexa plug, you're not alone. It's a common issue that can usually be fixed in just a few minutes. In this video, we'll walk through the steps to get your smart plug back up and running smoothly. Let's dive in. First things first, what does the blinking red light mean? It typically signals a connection problem, like issues with Wi-Fi, power, or the device itself. Don't panic. Most fixes are straightforward and require no special tools. Step 1. Start with a simple restart. Unplug your Alexa plug from the outlet, wait for about 10 seconds, and then plug it back in. Give it a moment to reconnect. Often, this quick reset does the trick and stops the blinking. Step 2. Check your Wi-Fi connection. Make sure your home network is stable and that the plug is within range of your router. If your Wi-Fi is spotty, try restarting your router or moving the plug closer to it. Once everything's connected, open the Alexa app and see if the device appears. Step 3. If the light persists, perform a full reset. Locate the button on your Alexa plug, press and hold it for 10 to 15 seconds until the light turns off and then back on. This wipes any temporary glitches and allows you to set it up again through the app. Step 4. Update your Alexa app. Head to your phone's app store, ensure the Alexa app is up to date, and then try adding the plug again. Outdated software can cause compatibility issues, especially with the 2025 models. Finally, if none of these steps work, it might be a hardware problem. Contact Amazon support through their website or app. They're usually quick to help. There you have it, your Alexa plug should be blinking green in no time. If this tutorial helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.